I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still make you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this tab enough.
That would be us over there. They'll have to pull us in. They would have to pull us in. They're probably just waving. Help!
We just got to Lake Kawaguchiko. We're gonna try to go on the boat and then the suspended ropeway. So we're gonna get the tickets right now. It's at a little kiosk, but you can buy combo tickets, so it's a little bit cheaper. So for the adult, if you buy both of them together, it's 1,700 yen, and then for kids, it's 850 yen. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, so we got our tickets. We have one for the ropeway and then one for the boat. I think, what is it, 20 minutes?
Yeah,
10 minutes?
10 minutes before, so we are like...
Okay.
Run! They're gonna miss the boat. The boat's pulling up right now. We're about to see how cool this is. Unfortunately, it's pretty gloomy, but it's looking like the sky is opening up. So hopefully, we're gonna be able to see some cool stuff. But either way, it's for the experience. Pretend that Mount Fuji is right there, because that's where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be right there. So just pretend it's right there. We're literally in the countryside of Japan on a boat.
I know, this is super sick.
That's sick. No regrets. I have no regrets at all, man. No regrets. Moving. Arigatou gozaimasu.
That was a fun little ride. It was about a 25-minute boat ride, but I think it was worth it. So now we're gonna go across the street because we also have tickets to go on this rope. I don't know, it's called a ropeway, but it takes you up the mountain in these little cable cars. We just got to the top and it's so pretty. You can see the whole lake that we were just in. And you can see the whole town from here. Let me show you. That was a really fast ride. See it. It's not really the ride, that's it. It's the view from up here, huh?
Yeah. What the heck? So nice. So beautiful.
It is. It's so pretty.
Frick, that's Fuji right there, but it's behind the clouds.
Oh. Let's see. Oh, are you supposed to be able to see it from here?
This big thing right here behind the clouds is Fuji.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We can't really see Mount Fuji right now. It's okay. It still looks really cool.
Is it there? You can see it?
Whoa, yeah, you can see the roller coasters.
Well, it's under the clouds.
Okay, which one?
Check it, did you?
Arigatou gozaimasu.
So fast, but I didn't even know.
meat stick. Okay, we're up here. Fuji's right here. It goes like this. But it's behind the clouds, so. I can't imagine it though. It looks like it'll be beautiful. Let me just insert Fuji here. Wow. Okay, so apparently there's a swing up here. Let's go check it out. We're like walking through the forest on the trail. Ah, kawaii. Oh, you have to pay for it. If you fall, I'll get it on video though. There's a swing up there. We didn't end up going on it because it's like 500 per person. I think we're going down now.
Minutes on foot from here. 戦国時代の武田信玄をモチーフとした純和風の船での遊
These little box trucks are so cute. So we just came down from the ropeway. It was really cool. We couldn't see Mount Fuji, but I feel like it was still worth it just to get the experience to go up that hill and use the cable cars to go all the way to the top. It was fun. So we hung out there for a little bit, and I think we're gonna go to the store to go get some snacks, and then we have to check into our Airbnb. For some reason, all the Airbnbs that we've been to in Japan, you have to check in at 4, so it's a little bit later in the day. It's about 3:15 right now, so we have about 45 minutes till we have to check in. Hey! And you fall down.
The princess is here.
See, Emma. What did you think of the view up there?
It's pretty cool. I wish we could swim Mount Fuji, but other than that, it was really cool.
Yeah, it was really cool. Did you like riding the little cable cars?
Mm-hmm.
It was cool. Look at this little old town.
It's gonna be on your right side. Slow down. It's coming up. Oh, after this, it's right there. Oh wait. It's right here. This wooden pillars.
So cool.
Check this out, yo. Oh, we got greeted by this freaking huge spider. Damn, I won't even focus on it.
We just got to our Airbnb, and this is the view. This is so pretty.
First look.
Oh man, Kelly gotta go lock picking. Not Kelly, Chrissy gotta go lock picking. Yeah, from the key box and use it.
Oh my gosh, we figured it out. Matt figured it out. It's a freaking smart pad.
It's not.
I thought you guys tried that and then it just didn't work.
Oh my
the
god.
key is in the lockbox.
Okay, we have to take off our shoes, guys. Remember now.
Yeah, it's like.
They gave us a flashlight because there's no electricity.
Did they really?
Yeah, right there.
Whoa, this is so sick.
I'm gonna close the door.
Oh.
Okay, first look. Let's look at this. Oh my gosh, look, this is the room with the thingy. Or the rooms. Oh, it's a whole thing. Look, it all connects. How do you turn the lights on? Here.
Wow, this is sick.
Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on, Katie.
All the rooms are connected.
I guess so.
Cool. You all have like a
It's like an old style house. Whoa.
It's bigger than the last one.
Whoa.
That's a huge room.
Oh, this is where all the things are to sleep. Okay. Very crazy. This is nuts.
This is super nuts. This is worth it.
I feel like it's gonna look really cool in the morning, especially.
We're gonna eat ramen right now, and we're at a restaurant that we can sit on the ground. This is our first one that we eat like this on this trip. Oh, ramen, half fried rice.
Also get this chicken, Daddy.
Yeah.
This one right here.
Mm-hmm.
But you don't, John?
I kind of already know what we're gonna order.
Oh, okay.
So don't worry. Or at least me.
Whoa. They have sets here, so we got a shoyu ramen and half fried rice. And then we have gyozas coming.
So you don't want rice or
I do not rice.
I think that chicken's gonna be good in the ramen.
Oh, did you try the fried rice?
No, but this soup is amazing.
It's huge.
It's really good.
Getting a lot of stuff here at this drugstore, and then we're heading back to the Airbnb. Dinner was amazing, but other than that, guys, I think we're gonna call it a night. Catch you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's a little chilly out here. As you see, I just woke up. Literally, like, just woke up. I think Matthew's over here by the lake, so... Oh man, I love this so much. Oh man, this is so... Check this out. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh man, I missed this type of feeling. You smell the grass. One thing about Japan, at least the countryside, it feels a lot like Hawaii to me. I don't know, it's like a weird familiar feeling that I get when I'm over here. Like this right here reminds me of walking to school. I used to take this shortcut to get to school, and this reminds me of that. Like the whole early morning, cold weather. This is so nostalgic for some reason. I've never been here before, but it feels like I have. This is one of those places where you just like have no words, you just enjoy the scenery. Look at that.
Well, I got a bone to pick like roses, roses. I ain't feeling broken no more. All the fish they gossiping, I notice. Talking shit I wanted through.
I just got up, but this is what the view looks like in the morning. It's so pretty.
Something bad beside next to me. Wind in my Don't stop now when it feels so great.
How did you guys sleep last night?
Slept alright.
I wonder if there's gonna be plenty of people already at the Wassup. Oh, it's so clear.
Hopefully we can see it, bro. Oh my gosh, it's right there! Look, it's freaking visible!
Wow!
What the heck?
Oh man, we should have took the boat ride today.
Look at Fuji. Yeah, Fuji's huge. How many days of the year is it visible? 80, and we're here for one of them.
We made it
It was fire. It's so fire. We're geeking out over a mountain, guys. Yeah, we're here. We gotta walk in the crosswalk, guys. I want to follow the rules. We're here. This is what we wanted to see.